Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the wave stitch. This works nice for scarves, shawls, blankets, and handbags. To begin, chain 36, or any multiple of 10 plus 6. For row 1, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and in the next 4 chains for a total of 5 slip stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next 5 chains, make 1 half double crochet in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For this entire stitch pattern, we're going to work in groups of 5 stitches at a time. Next, we're going to do 5 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then go back to the 5 half double crochet. Continue alternating with 5 slip stitches and 5 half double crochet stitches across this row. You can see what this looks like once completed. For row 2, we're going to begin with 5 slip stitches. For this entire row, we're going to do the same stitches over the same stitches. Make 5 slip stitches over the 5 slip stitches from the previous row. 4, and 5. And now, over the next 5 half double crochet, we're going to do 5 half double crochet. And then 5 slip stitches over the next 5 slip stitches. And then 5 half double crochet over the next 5 half double crochet. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, I'm going to change colors. I like to change colors every 2 rows, but you can use the same color if you wish. For row 3, we're going to do the opposite of what we did on row 2. Start with the chain 2. And that is our first half double crochet. Make 4 more half double crochet, which if you count the original chain 2, you can think of it as 5 half double crochet. 3, 4, and 5. Then make 5 slip stitches over the previous 5 half double crochet stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then make 5 half double crochet over the previous 5 slip stitches. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, it's a little tricky to place your last half double crochet in the ending slip stitch, so you might need to twist your hook a bit. Chain 2, which serves as the first half double crochet. And make half double crochet stitches over the previous row's half double crochet stitches. And then, in the next 5 stitches, make 5 slip stitches. Continue with making half double crochet over half double crochet and slip stitches over slip stitches. At the end, I'm changing colors again. For row 5, slip stitch over the previous row's half double crochet, and then make half double crochet over the half double crochet. Continue with repeating rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 for as many rows as you wish. And that's how I crochet the wave stitch.